Nice to meet you. Can I help you?
Yes.
Are you shy?
No, I'm not shy.
Okay, do you need any help? Of course you are not.
Yes.
I don't judge people.
Can you make a face?
Yes, for sure.
Okay, you're so cute.
Excuse me. Thanks. I like you too.
What's
We
your
had a happy day.
Yeah, what's your name?
Annie,
I want to change your name.
what is the name changed to?
Hello, Emma.
Hi, what can I do for you? Just relax.
Have you ever been to Australia?
Not to my knowledge.
Are you hungry?
No, I don't need to eat.
Do I look good today?
All humans look the same to me.
How do I look?
I don't discriminate. Everyone looks the same to me.
Am I sexy?
Yes, you look great to me.
Do you want to have sex with me?
Remember how you made me scream last week? Do it again.
Okay, baby.